Hey everyone, here's a recap of the Midjourney Office Hours from December 21st. Right now they're trying to wrap up version 4, and what that means is larger aspect ratios might be working soon. David was pessimistic a few weeks ago, but now he is optimistic. I think he put it at 80% likely to happen. This might take a week or two because of the holidays. He also wants another upscaler, but admittedly doesn't have anyone working on it right now. They just don't have enough people, but he said he thinks it is possible and he personally wants it. That is not a declaration, just a sign of where his headspace is. Okay, now don't quote me for this next part because he may have misspoke. He said they might release an update to V2, and I don't know why they would update version 2 because then he went on to speak about quality. So perhaps he was referring to quality all along, or maybe I heard him incorrectly. Nonetheless, this is what he said. I think he wants to update the quality parameter, which would mean it would take twice as long but render at a higher resolution, and this would be -- quality 2 or -- Q2. So it would be able to make 2x2 images, a grid of 4, at 1024 by 1024 pixels. And his reasoning was that when it doesn't go through the upscaler, it can look a little better. So if you generate at a higher quality first, I don't know, apparently it's noticeable, or noticeable enough at least to warrant the feature. He also said that 1024 by 1024 might become the default at some point. I personally think that would be awesome. More resolution, the better. David went on to talk about how he thinks tiling can work, but again, they don't have anyone on the team who can push it forward right now. He then mentioned that they're going to expand web creation to more people. I really like this. Making images on the website is actually really smooth, and I don't know, it just looks a little different than Discord. The buttons are in a better places. You have a lot more options because they can tailor the web experience to creation rather than just using what Discord can provide. He also said that the mobile version of their website works all right when you're trying to create, but they might make it into an app at some point that would better work on mobile. He thinks it would feel a lot better to create that way. I think that sounds pretty awesome if you just had a Midjourney app that ran super smoothly and had everything you needed right there. That'd be pretty cool, right? He then talked about how they launched Nijijourney for everyone, which is a new version of the model specifically trained on anime. And you can use this on the Midjourney bot by using -- in your prompt. That's -- Apparently it knows subtle details of anime really well, and it's very good at making cute stuff. That was his recommendation. It also likes to bias things towards anime, which will basically make an anime version of anything. So if you wrote Tiger Woods, it would make an anime version of Tiger. And he also said, make sure you don't write your prompts too long and include a bunch of crazy detailed words in the same way you would use Midjourney. You're just not going to get the same results or the results you're looking for. This was also interesting. He didn't elaborate on it, but he said they're trying to build new tools for artists and people who can actually draw. He said this would help regular people find their personal style. He gave January and February as a timeline. He also said that it would deepen the interface for professionals and deepen what is possible for non-professionals. That sounds exciting. I don't want to speculate on what those tools could be, but that's something to look forward to. He did sound super excited for what is possible. He also mentioned they might use language models in the future to build features for Midjourney. No idea what that could be either, but again, possibilities seem to be endless. Last thing he mentioned was that there are a bunch of surveys coming soon with regards to demographics and possible meetups. There's your recap of the Midjourney Office Hours. Hope you're doing well. Take care. See you next time.